In front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tap menu. Now you need to find location icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that location is on. If you wish to turn it off, tap on the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Now scroll down again, click on location, and tap on the switcher to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!